Who's a bird? Who's a bird? Who's a pretty bird? It's Angus. McBangus.
Everybody come. Oh, now she's barking at the dog.
Because girl, listen.
Everything.
Good night, Pitoko. I love you.
Are you trying to communicate with me by Morse code? Did it boop, boop, boop?
I'm sorry. They're not for you. They're for the plants.